Hello dosto, welcome to second video. So here I'm gonna unbox this eyeball headphones which I got it at a very cheap price. Actually we can tell it as like not cheap, but we can tell it as like a value for money deal. So we'll quickly reopen this and see what is inside this. So we have our tools, which is a knife using which we can unbox. So I'll quickly unbox this. So here is the headphones which we got here. Packing looks good, but it is like little old. I think this manufactured in June 2019. Okay, so this got imported in 2019, and then from 2019 it is just like that. So I think that, but still whatever it is, but we'll see how the product is inside. But as you can see, this box here, this clearly justifies the price if we see the packing, and I am yet to see the product, but still I am thinking, like, I believe the product will be good as well. So this one I bought it for 199 rupees from Amazon, whereas the MRP is written as 1400, but which is we can ignore this MRP because we all know the MRP is the maximum retail price. So let's just open this and see what's there inside the product. So for this one, okay, so inside box we have nothing, and this is what we got here. And again, this is also like very premium packing at a price of 199 rupees. I think this is like excellent packing here. It's given as like written as like focal here. Let's quickly open this as well. Okay, and inside this you all can see we have this packing, and where we'll see what is there inside this boxes. So this section is the headphones. We will see it later. First we'll see what else we have inside this. So we have one pouch where we can, from using which we can carry our headphones without damaging it, which is, I think, at a price of 199, it is like excellent add-on. And then that's all. And then here we have some additional extra ear tips, I believe. So let's just open and see what is there inside this. Yes, so here we are getting extra ear tips, like 2 different extra ear tips for small and medium ear size. Which is also good build quality. So let's just keep this aside, all these things, and that's all on this one. Yep, nothing. So this is pretty much what you are getting inside this, and we don't have any manuals inside this, and so we don't have any extra paper things here, so it's fine. We'll just open this here. Okay, so here comes the main piece, which is headphones. So let's just open this, and here also like the box which they gave here is like a quality product, and I liked it so much. And finally here are our headphones. And this, okay, so here are the headphones. First look here, if I see this comes with a line wires, I think, which will give it like which will add it few more durability to the product here. If you can see these things here, and these are actually good. You can see these are metals, made up of the metal. The earbuds are made up of metal, and then we have one compartment here for which has the mic here, and which is again built of metal. So, and then overall looks good. Let's just unpack this and let's see. And it comes with the traditional way of the earphone plug, which is normal one, and just try some audio here. We'll try audio. Audio quality is excellent, I can tell. I'll try to make you hear the sound. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this. So you can say like a bass is minimum, not as you expect. Like if you are just using it as a normal and you don't want much bass, and you like listen the normal music, I will think it is the best thing for you. And if and treble and other things are like excellent in this one. And let me just give you the mic as well. So I'll just change my mic to this earphone so that you guys can hear how this mic sounds here. Hello guys, so this is the sound which you are hearing. This is from the new IBALL earphone. Do let me know how it sounds in comment. That's all on this video. So hope you like this video, and if you want to buy this headphones, it's available at 199 rupees at the Amazon. Great Indian festival deal. So I will recommend you to buy this if you are looking for headphones under 200. This is a must go headphones. So that's all. Signing off for the day, and see you in the next video.